Hi my lovely K's, welcome to Unboxing with Debbie Kendra. I received this beautiful package from Ace Drip Shop and I'm unboxing it with you. Okay, let's see what's inside. Ta-da! I love this color, it's so beautiful, somehow matches with my lipstick. Okay, let's see what's inside. I'm sure most of you already know. Drum rolls. Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Wow. Oh my god, this is sunshade. This sunshade is from Ace Drip store and it comes in this quality case and also a little screw that you can use to screw up the nuts anytime your glass is shaking or something or it gets spoiled. You might never get to use it because this is top quality. Oh my god, I love it. This is a cat eye sunshade, one of their best sellers, and one of the best things about this sunshade in particular is the fact that it is matte. It has this matte black, really super cool, and I absolutely love it, and I'm just gonna try it on for you guys. My lashes are so long. Oh my god, how do I look, guys? I'm ready to go for that occasion right now. Rain it on me, bring out all the sun. I need the sun in my face right now because I'm totally protected from sunburn or anything of that sort with this Ace Drip matte cat eye sunshade. Oh, I love it. Thank you Ace Drip for sending this to me. You guys go shop the sunshade from Ace Drip Shop. I'll be leaving their handle on the link, blah blah blah.